Alright, hello everybody. Today we're going to be doing a YouTube video covering, how to make a Discord bot. The very basics you'll need to start your project. So you're going to need two things to download right off the bat. If you don't already have them, you're going to need Visual Studio Code, which you can get by going to code.visualstudio.com. And you're also going to need Node.js. Node.js is very important. You have to have it. It allows you to connect to the Discord API through a package called Discord.js. Very, very important. So once you have installed Visual Studio Code, go ahead and open it, and you're gonna need a folder. So go to your File Explorer app, go to your Documents. In my opinion, this is the best place to keep your folders and projects. Go ahead and make a folder, name whatever you want. I'm gonna name mine Tutorial Bot. So once you've made that folder, go back to Visual Studio Code. You can close the Welcome tab, and click Open the Folder. Navigate to your Documents folder, and then click Tutorial Bot, and then click OK. It'll open, or if you have Windows, you're going to say Open. Anyways, once you're in here, go ahead and click Terminal at the very top, click New Terminal, and assuming you've downloaded Node.js by this point, go ahead and type npm init in the terminal and click Enter. This is going to run you through, it's going to make a package.json file, and it's just going to be pretty much the info about the file. So package name, version, description. You can edit these categories as you want. However, I'll tell you which ones to avoid. So, an entry point, I would recommend leaving it as index.js. Test command, ignore that. Git repository, ignore that. Keywords, don't need to worry about that. Author, you can put your name in here. License, don't worry about it. Right here, you can either type yes or just press enter. Either works. It's going to make a package.json file right here. Then you want to go ahead and type npm I discord.js. As I mentioned earlier, this is the package that allows you to connect to the Discord API, which is how you're going to turn your bot online and make it execute commands when prompted. Now you've done that, you can go ahead and close the terminal. Go to this right here and click the new file, and then do index.js. Once you're in here, I just like to add comments defining what I'm doing here. So I'm going to be making a client right here. So you can do const Discord. Client equals require Discord.js. If you're wondering what this does, this is just defining two things that come out of this package. So obviously Discord and client. The client is, so you can name this pretty much whatever you want. It's going to be what you refer to your bot as, so you can do bot. I prefer client. And then new equals new client. And now, technically you could run your bot if you did a client.login. It would turn your bot online, however it wouldn't do anything. So now I like to do just other right here, and then let's say, actually don't need to worry about that for now. Actually it's ready. So right here you can do client.on ready. Async ready. You don't need to worry about asynchronous functions yet, as it's not important this early in making your bot. Alright, so here you could set your status or activity. So client.user.set activity. Let's say you want to make it say watching a certain amount of guilds, so you do guilds, and then excuse me. Oh, didn't do it. Client.guilds.cache.size. I remembered I really wanted my bot to do this, so that's why I'm explaining it. And then you can do, let's say you want your prefix to be that help. Alright, and then what you're gonna get kind of outside of that, put a comma and then more curly brackets, type, quotation marks, and you can see right here you can choose custom status. It does not work, it doesn't let you. So if you want to do like watching guilds, just go ahead and do that and you're all good. Alright, now come down here and do, you don't have to have the comments, I just do that, I just prefer it that way. So client.login, right here you're gonna put config.token sorry. Now you can actually come back up to other right here and do const config equals require ./config. So now, see, that's requiring a file, so we have to make that file now. So go back to new file and do config.json. And right here, inside here, go ahead and make curly bracket and a space, and you can type token inside of quotation marks, colon, more quotation marks, and then this is very important. So you're going to need to go to whatever your preferred web browser is. You can go ahead and close these two tabs. So when you've downloaded those, and you're going to go to your Discord developer portal. This is where you manage applications, games, whatever, as long as it's through Discord. So go to your account, make sure you're logged in, click new application, name your application. So I'm going to name mine Tutorial Bot. Create it, and then click right here where it says bot, and then add bot. This is very important. Now, you see this token, and we mentioned it in here, so token. So go ahead and click copy, come back in here, and Control V, where you can do paste, up to you. And then afterwards do a comma, and then you want to do prefix inside of the quotation marks, colon, more quotation marks, and then insert whatever you want your prefix to be here. So I want to make mine 2 exclamation points like that. Go ahead and save that file. And if we go ahead and save this, the bot should run. So you can run the command with node dot or node index.js. Either will work. See if I have any errors. Oh, I forgot one very important step, and that would be adding the bot to the server. So go to your back to the Discord developer portal, go to OAuth 2, go to bot, click whatever permissions you want. I find administrator to be the easiest. Go ahead and copy that link, put it in a new tab in your web browser. Click the server you want it to be added to. Go ahead and authorize it, and then do this reCAPTCHA. Oh, I missed. Crosswalks. I hate these. But it's fine. As you can see, our bot is online and watching 0 guilds. If I go ahead and restart the bot, it'll actually show 1 guild, as it wasn't added to that guild when I started it originally. So we can do node dot, and it'll turn on just the same, and it now updates to watching 1 guild, as it's in 1 guild. So now you're wondering, how do I make it respond to commands? So go ahead and come back over here and make a new file called command.js. Now inside of this, you're going to go ahead and do const. It's very important to have this inside of these, otherwise this file will not run properly, as prefix is very important. Then you can do require /config.json. Go ahead and come out of this function, come down here and do module.exports equals, inside of parentheses, client, if I can spell it, aliases, and then callback. Then come out of there and do the arrow and then curly brackets. Now go ahead and do if type of aliases equals string aliases, and then you want to do inside of this, which this makes it an array, so it's basically a list in easier forms to understand. That's what it makes it. Come down and then do client.on message. Oh, sorry. The message, and then message. More curly brackets. Very fun. Very fun. Const contents. Oops, sorry. Equals message. And then come down. Oops, sorry. Aliases dot for each alias equals more curly brackets. Const command equals prefix alias, and come down more if content, oops, if I can spell it, dot starts with, oh, there we go. Alright, so command, oh, excuse me, you have to put it inside of these. And these are what these are right here, or these, excuse me, if I can get it to highlight. Ugh, whatever. The tilde marks right here. Those allow you to do this instead of having to go, let's say you had these. If you wanted to put something like that inside of it, as you can see, if I do command, it does not work. If I did this way, I'd have to do it like this. and then it would format correctly. But that's why they have the better strings. I can't remember what they're called right off the top of my head, don't know why, but it just makes it way easier. Anyways, come down here, do more curly brackets, very fun. And then you can do console.log running command. Oh, I forgot one very important part. Excuse me. Content equals command. And then another one of these inside. And I believe I forgot something up here. Yep, I did. Alright. So if you missed that like me, go ahead and fix that, and it'll run fine. And then I believe... I'll figure it out in a minute. Let me go ahead and finish the command, and then I'll work out what I messed up on. Then type in callback command. Now let's see what I missed. There we go. And we fixed it. Alright, go ahead and save this file. Close it. Go back to index.js inside of this client.onReady function. Go ahead and come down. And you want to type... Oh, sorry. Oh, wait. Hold up. One thing. Another up here. Const command equals require. Oh, // command. I can spell it. Alright, come back to the client.onReady and go ahead and type command client comma and then print, or I mean not parentheses, array. So let's say you wanted to do ping, and then you could also do another one which would be the same command and have it read pong as well. So I can do ping one. I don't need it. So basically it just allows you to, like, if you do a ban command, you could have it be ban or perm ban, whatever you wanted it to set as, and it would still run it. Anyways, comma again, and then do message, and then another arrow and curly brackets. Then you want to go ahead and do message.channel.send. So we're doing a ping, so we're going to have a bot respond with pong. And I'll go ahead and save this file, make sure there's no errors in it. Check your command.js file as well, make sure there's no errors in it. Hopefully I didn't miss anything. Let's go ahead and run the bot. Bot's online, so I can go ahead and run ping. Oh, what did I mess up on? Network property send of undefined. Must mean I messed up somewhere. Let me go ahead and check my code. I'll be right back. I apologize for that. I figured my mistake out. It is right here in the command.js file. The callback, it is not command. You are supposed to put message right here. And now, if I go ahead and save the file, we do no dot. Oh, if I can spell it. No dot again. And then the bot will be online. You can now successfully run the ping command. As you can see, bot responds with pong. So, it's all working. If you want more content like this, remember to like and subscribe. And as well, tell me if the music is too loud, too quiet, or if you'd rather prefer it not to be there. Anyways, have a great day. And once again, remember to like and subscribe.